Guys, I just opened up the door and take a look at the door. That's all snow, guys. I'm completely almost buried. This snowdrift is about at least 3 feet. I can sit in it. Look at that, it's crazy. Don't let this fool you. This is completely covered with snow. I'm trying to make it to my backyard. Hopefully I still can. Wow, I'm trying to do this. So, yeah, oh my God, guys, look at this. It's insane. Hey guys, I'm back. Oh my God, it's so crazy. I'm going to go back over here. Just take a look. Look at this. Oh my God. I'm 5'4", and it's up to my kneecaps. It's up to my kneecaps. Holy moly. Complete blizzard. But I can tell you that the air is feeling very crisp. It feels clean. I can breathe. So, I mean, there's something about this weather that just makes you just be happy. This is my hydrangea, and this is my limelight hydrangea. As you can see, just if you leave this on there like this, it's going to break. You can see it's already broken. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to try to shake it off now. I may actually leave this because, you know, it's going to do more damage than good, because the snow right now, it's a very heavy snow. Look at that. Heavy snow. The last snowstorm that we had, it was a light fluffy snow. This snowstorm was overnight, so you can still see that it's still very windy out here, very crazy windy.
You know what's also fun in this snow? You know what I mean.
Snow angels, yes! Snow angels. Oh yes.
Yes, guys, snow angels in the backyard after a blizzard.
And this is my rose bush all under snow. That was my peony garden right there. You can't see any of it. So we're talking about that. This most likely, I say that this is over 3 feet of snow here in my backyard. So here's my milk jug. You can see how deep the snow is. Yeah. This is really good though. I mean, I guess the snow is coming in handy. If you want to know how to winter sow, I made a video, so check out that video. I am sowing native plants. So this is the first time I'm going to be winter sowing native plants, and I have about 10 milk jugs in here. So hopefully when the snow melts, and I'm thinking it's probably going to be a month or so, I will be able to see what I have. It's not all bad news. Woo, 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 woo. I fell. I fell. I'm okay though. I'm okay. It's crazy out here. It's crazy out here. What I wanted to say, oh my goodness, how am I going to get up? Okay, I'm going to try to get up. Okay, yeah. Alrighty. Okay. A little close and personal, huh? So I'm going to take it very easy. Very slow.
I know I'm having a lot of fun, but did you know that snow is actually good? It's beneficial for gardens like mine that are in the Northeast because it's a natural insulator. There's so many benefits to it. Snow traps warmth from the soil. It prevents roots from freezing and thawing. Did you know that it also protects perennials and bulbs? And it's actually better than freezing temperatures because the constant cold is safer than temperature swings. And guys, snow sometimes can recharge your garden because once the snow melts, it waters the soil deeply. It helps to recharge moisture before spring planting, and it reduces early watering needs. So snow's a pretty good thing. So we've been getting plenty of it. Sometimes I take the snow from outside and I place it in the garage in my pots, and it slowly melts and it keeps the plants hydrated without me having to water it. I would love to know what the weather's like in your area. Did you get hit by this snowstorm? How are you enjoying it so far? To deal with this, I've been doing a lot of winter sowing and gardening indoors, starting my seeds indoors. So yeah, that's the only thing we can do here in the Northeast. But as you can see, I gave you a little tour of my garden. There's not much to see
but hopefully this will all melt in about a month. This is beautiful, don't you think? This is absolutely beautiful. I love it. And it feels so nice. I love to be out here. It doesn't feel cold at all. I would think that it feels cold. Even the snow doesn't feel cold, but it's beautiful. It's beautiful. Guys, thank you so much for joining me here on my channel, The Determined Gardener. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. There's not too many gardeners that'll be out here showing you their garden in the middle of a blizzard. Well, we're not in the middle of a blizzard. The blizzard just finally ended, but not too many people that'll be showing you this. So give me a thumbs up, give this video a like, and share with your family and friends. And hopefully next video you'll be seeing me doing something with this garden. Hopefully I'll be able to come out and enjoy it. But again, thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share with your family and friends. Until next time, guys, stay rooted. Bye-bye.